Unable to accept invite Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can actually fix if Discord says unable to accept invite, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have an invitation link of a certain group and then you just try to enter the invitation link over there, but then the problem is that it doesn't let you join that particular group. Now most of the times what just happens is the owner who sent you the invitation link, that link had already been expired. So if it has been over 7 days or 24 hours depending upon what the server owner had said, if you try to join the server after that, it will say you it is unable to accept invite. Now in this case you have to try to contact the Discord server owner to ask them to give you the new link so that you can join the group again. This is only the issue with the expired link. So hope this video helped you understand it. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.